Hello everyone, and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to go over how I made $520 making simple videos for people. I'm going to go over how I made $520 with one client making these simple videos on a unique site. I'm going to also show you how you can use this as an arbitrage method on one unique website and have someone else do the work for you. So how you can outsource the work, sell it on another website, purchase somebody else's project on another website, and you are like that middleman, the middle person, and you can reap the most of the profit. And then also I'm going to, if that's not in the cards for you, then I'm also going to show you how you can gain the business, but then create these videos yourself. And once you create the videos yourself, you'll be able to get all the profits in the transaction. So let's jump right in and let me show you the method. So right here on people per hour, I'm going to show you. So I actually made $1,000 on this website. In the time that I've worked on this website, and showing you exactly the transaction that I made, that I got paid on this under invoices. You'll see, I do a bunch of other gigs on here, and they're actually called hourlies on people per hour, and it operates kind of similar to Fiverr, but they call them hourlies on this website. And generally you make more money per hourly, or people are willing to pay you at a higher level because they're expecting a higher level of skill on this website in comparison to Fiverr, which often only pays $5 per gig. So you can see I receive payments for different types of things: article writing, voiceover work, logo design. But check this one out. Create a kinetic typography motion text animation video, and I made $520 from one client. And I want to show you how you can do this. So $520 from one client, that's just one transaction. And again, look over here, I've actually made over $1,000 on this website alone. So let me jump in and show you how this all works. So this person ordered a kinetic typography motion text animation video. So what is kinetic typography? So here's a quick example of it. And you can see, so there's just text over a screen, and it's animated text. It makes watching the video exciting, and there's different softwares that you can use to create this, and I'm going to go over those as well. So back to the example. So how are we going to make the $520? Well, what you're going to do, there's a couple different ways, but if we go back to the first method that I was going over, which is how can you have somebody else do the hard work for you, but then you still make the biggest end of the profit? And by picking up an hourly, or just putting in for freelancing projects that people need this stuff done, you can also go up and search on this site by going a search, and you can search for a project where there's clients that are needing this type of work completed, and you're able to put in for those jobs, and you'll get hired for some of them. And then while you're waiting to get approved for one of your projects that you're putting in for, you can also create an hourly where people, a lot like Fiverr, can come in and just order your hourly. And in this case, so once you land the project, or once someone orders from you, then you could go over to Fiverr, where people are willing to do these jobs for a lot less than people per hour. So you could come in here and grab, for example, right here, this guy this person has 352 reviews, 4.9 out of 5 stars. You could click on them and see what they offer. Now their quality, let's see what their quality looks like. So right here you can see that's some really good quality. They're probably using Adobe After Effects. They're probably using Adobe After Effects for that, to create that. And you can see for 30 seconds or a 60-word script, they'll do $15. So a 1.5-minute video will cost $55. But you could take this, for example, and charge somebody $150, $200 on people per hour. You could charge them $150 and then come over here and have this person do this for $55, and then you're going to pocket $95 to $100 yourself. And this is just one of the gigs. You can find plenty of these that people are willing to do it for even less. Look at this one. In 24 hours, this person, for $5, let's see how much work they'll do for only $5. They'll do 30 seconds or up to 60 words for only $5. So let's see what their quality looks like. Their quality, I mean, look, that looks great. I mean, these people, they want your business. And this kinetic type looks like it's very high quality, looks similar to the last one. It's charging 3 times as much. So you could come in here and actually, if you have, you know, a 200-word script, so their 200-word script is going to end up going $65. And they have different other premium services if you order, depending on what package you order. It looks like they're giving you a really steep discount for going with just the basic gig at 60 words, but their price jumps a lot when you order more than the 60 words. But there are so many gigs to choose from, and you know, there's Fiverr saying that there's about 915 gigs that meet the qualifications of kinetic typography. And look at $10, $5, $10. So you will find some gems in here. Find some sellers here that will do a lot of words for a very low cost. And then you can just take that and gain the work and get the orders over here in people per hour. And you know, this is proof. I have proof right here that this works. I haven't been selling on this platform for a couple years, but as you can see, I've sold voiceovers, and I've sold article writing over here, and I've sold logo design, and I've sold kinetic typography, and the pages just keep going. I have whiteboard explainer videos, just plenty of different gigs that I've sold throughout the years. Kinetic typography, motion text, kinetic typography, motion text, right there, boom, $20, $20, $20, whiteboard animation, logo design. So you can take this and you can get some inspiration from coming over to Fiverr and just going into a category that you may have some expertise in, and just finding out what other people are selling. Social media marketing, for example, you could come over here and social content creation, if that's something that you specialize in. And you can find people that will do this for you. I will write your exclusive LinkedIn article. So all these different services here on Fiverr will spark, because Fiverr's way bigger than people per hour. But you can use this and find what people are selling and being successful with. Come over here to people per hour and create, you know, you can create an hourly under buyer activity dashboard. So you find your seller section, and then you create an hourly, and then you sell your services, and then you just come over here and then you hire this person over here, and then you arbitrage that and you make the money off that. So if you wanted to make the full profit on this, which I've done plenty of times as a freelancer, then I'm going to show you how you can create the videos yourself. And I'm going to show you 3 methods. So one is, the most common is Adobe After Effects. Now, most of the gigs that I was showing you on Fiverr, or many of them, and if you're somewhat professional at doing it, Adobe After Effects is definitely the primary tool that is used. But there is a very steep learning curve when it comes to learning how to do kinetic typography videos in Adobe After Effects. And not to go into a tutorial on that, but even just opening up Adobe After Effects for the first time, a user is going to be very confused on what to do in Adobe After Effects. So you can go to Udemy and buy a course for $10 on sale to learn how to do kinetic typography if you want to take this on as a business. I've done it plenty, making kinetic typography videos throughout the years, and I've made a lot of money doing this. And but the Adobe After Effects, it'll cost you $21 a month. Right here you can see their price, and then it will also come with a very steep learning curve. So this would be if you really want to learn the business and you really want to be able to offer anything to the customers, but and charge premium prices, $300 per video. You're going to want to learn this. But a much simpler way to do this is you can go to this other software called Animaker. And Animaker, you can go over the pricing and all that. But if you go to features, this software called Animaker, they will offer, there's different things you can do. You could offer 2D videos, infographics, handcraft, whiteboard animation videos, and you could post gigs on Fiverr. You could post gigs on People Per Hour. And and right here they have typography videos. So you can actually create typography type videos on this website. And they'll look very similar to what we were just going over on Fiverr. So that's one option you have. Another option you have, and then there's another option over here. I was showing you Motion Den. So Motion Den is really cool because you can come over here and find all kinds of different templates that are based on Adobe After Effects, but you don't have to do all the heavy lifting inside the software to make it look amazing and professional. All you have to do is just come over here and push edit video and fill in the text. And once you edit the video and fill in the text, you can customize this. You just sign up an account there. And then their pricing over here is they're pretty good pricing. You can pay just for one video, or you can pay $39 a month and have unlimited videos. And you could really turn this into a full-sized business, paying $40 a month and just creating these videos for clients. And so I hope that you learned something in the video. So that's going to be it for today's video, as we went over how to make $520 making these simple videos for clients on People Per Hour. And I showed you proof of my earnings on People Per Hour. So not just telling you an idea, but actually showing you that this is a real way to make money online. And I have proof here and all these invoices that I've been paid on this website, and how one client paid me $520 to make kinetic typography videos, which we went over. And you could do this yourself. It's very simple, very easy to get started. You can outsource the work so you don't have to even learn how to do kinetic typography videos, or you can find different softwares and do the work yourself if you're willing to put in a little bit of time. And you can make some good money doing this. So hope you enjoyed today's video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you can get more videos like this where I show you real ways to make money online and how I've actually accomplished this myself. So until next video, see you next time. Thank you.